So today's another boat day, and this morning we're just going to focus on cleaning stuff, starting with my wiener. There's fish under the boat right now. I need to make more water now. If you're wondering why I don't have a comforter on the mattress, it's because it's so hot all the time. Okay, boat's clean, next order of business. I think it's about time for another coat of gel coat. This is wallpaper adhesive, but it's not exactly cutting it. Well, it just says contact adhesive, water and heat resistant, but it's not exactly cutting it. So I'm either going to use a much stronger adhesive around the edge, or I'm going to tack it in, and then I'm going to trim this edge along with all the edges with that little rope like we did in the starboard aft cabin. Should end up looking pretty good. Let's make some gel coat. Alrighty, getting stuff done today. I'm definitely going to want another coat or two on that before I trim it out and finish that cabin. I'm excited to have both of those cabins, like the cosmetic projects, done, so then I can do stuff like decorate and put in rugs and pictures on the wall and make them nice and cute, and so we can host some of you guys. I'm excited for that. Also, I'm really excited to work in here. This is a project I'm going to be working on soon, is redoing the headliner in these bathrooms and replacing a lot of this stuff. The master cabin conversion continues soon. In 2 days, we are going to Dominica, which, by the way, I've been pronouncing it wrong. I've been saying Dominica because I just came from the Dominican Republic, but I've been watching the Olympics and I just got set straight.
My country's name is Dominica. We're not Dominican Republic, so it's pronounced differently.
So I'm going to Dominica. I think it's going to be an awesome trip there. It's one of the islands I'm most excited about, honestly. And we leave in 2 days. So, engine maintenance. We're going to check all the fluids, give it a once over, and yeah. Okay, and with that, it is about 3:30, but it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Tastes like McDonald's. All right, halfway productive day, perfect ending to the day. Tomorrow's a big day. We're going scuba diving, and then the following day, we're sailing down to Dominica. I'll update you guys tomorrow. Sorry, the last 2 days have been somewhat boring. I love you. This morning, we're gonna focus on cleaning stuff. Will you hush?
The boat is so clean. Look how clean the boat is.
If you want to know what we're gonna do for the rest of the evening, it's this.